What's good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And Polygon matic, we're going to talk all about it in this video. They have just done something pretty insane that is starting to bridge the gap between football and cryptocurrency. It's pretty huge. We're going to talk about it all in this video and more. So let's dive straight into it. Look, the global crypto market at $1.10 trillion, just down 0.37% on the day. We did see Bitcoin touch 24K earlier, has since retraced that, about 1% down on the hour, 0.31 on the 24 hours. ETH 1714 rallied all the way up to 1740 today, but has come down. What does the weekend look like it's going to bring us? Well, a lot of people are saying we'll see some sell-offs and we'll certainly see a bit of a retraction in the market, but we're gonna have to take a look at it. But Polygon matic, this is what I wanted to bring to you. 93 cents currently on the dollar. We can see some of the technicals being down. So $1.5 billion in the last 24 hours is down 12%. Likewise, the market cap at 7.5 billion. Remember, the number 12 ranked cryptocurrency on the planet right now. And we have seen a real level of volatility with this. We saw it as high as 98 cents, I believe it went to, and then equally we've seen it as low as kind of 74. Now we're relying around that kind of, like we said, about that 93 cent mark. Is this going to touch $1? I'm not sure we're going to see it over the course of this weekend, but long term, Polygon matic is definitely going to be an interesting one to keep an eye on. So we can check in the other information. It does see that you can, over the last sort of 6 days, we can see the increase in holders moving over to Polygon matic. We currently sit 469,595 people that hold active wallets of Polygon matic. Now, what is the information you've come to this video for? Well, we saw this, an incredible auction from Sotheby's, which Sotheby's is a huge auction site. I mean, they do multi-million, multi-billion-dollar deals, and it says for FC Barcelona, in a way, the immortal NFT. So if you don't understand what that is, FC Barcelona created the immortal NFT and have sold it in Sotheby's, and this is the moment you can hear when this does sell.
At $550,000, last chance, no regrets, down goes the hammer. Sold $550,000.
I actually like the fact the guy goes, wow, but that over $560,000 on that. And actually, this could really start the potential of the explosion of NFTs on the Polygon network. And I know a lot of people talk about this. A lot of people talk about how cheap it is, how easy it is to go and get a wallet and start changing it. And everything built for Polygon is around that scaling solution for Ethereum. So pretty interesting stuff coming. Are we going to see more of these things? I think it does open a gateway, certainly, for more and more potential things coming. We see a lot of NFT projects starting to move to Polygon and launch on this network. It makes it such an easy, accessible NFT in terms of pricing, in terms of the fees to transact, in terms of, you know, moving things around. It just makes it so much easier for any project launching on it. You can just see there's tons of projects coming onto the Polygon network that if you are interested in getting into NFTs, these are super, super cheap. Now, what are the analysts saying? What are the people that, you know, make these decisions saying about Polygon matic? And see here, look, as a result of the S&P 500 recorded a 1.2% increase as the US closed with the Nasdaq and the Dow Jones trading in the green. The crypto market benefited from these reports as it continues to move in tandem with legacy financial markets. Now, we all know that crypto generally moves with the stock market. The interesting one is always after the stock market's closed, what happens to the market? So we saw a rally, we've seen it subsequently retract, and we are right now, at the time of recording this video, seeing a bit of a rally. You know, ETH looks like it's going to break 1720, so more potential moves to come. But generally speaking, the weekend is a tough time for the crypto market. But what are people saying in terms of pricing? And look here, the analysts singled out Solana, Polygon matic, Cosmos, Avalanche, and others with the best potential to benefit a long-term bullish trend. These cryptocurrencies have the potential to 60x returns in the next bull cycle, Vanderpump said. Now, you've got to remember, none of this is financial advice, and I'm only trying to bring you information so you can make an assessment whether this is the right thing for your portfolio. But generally speaking, big product, big ranked cryptocurrencies generally tend to be much safer than things in the DeFi space. Now, we all know something like Terra Luna Classic can go wrong, so you always have to make sure you're comfortable with the decisions you make. But I've been talking about Polygon matic for quite some time now. I'll leave a link down in the description. They've launched their layer 2 solution that makes the network even faster. It's super accessible, super quick, and more importantly for the new investor, super, super cheap. So you can see that according to Analysts, Avalanche alone could hit a target of $37 to $41. Solana, on the other hand, might hit 62 to 84, and Polygon beyond the $1 mark. I actually think Polygon potentially could go a little bit higher, given the fact, like I said, currently we sit at 93.76. So we definitely could see more movements. So say Polygon matic might prove a good bet in the long run due to the upcoming products, their partnerships with major players in and outside crypto industry, and the development of their teams. Again, I bring you back to the fact that FC Barcelona have just sold an NFT from Sotheby's on the Polygon network, on the Polygon matic network, which is absolutely crazy. So I think we're going to see much more potential with Polygon matic. But I want to know what you guys think. Let me know in the comments down below what you think of Polygon matic. Do you hold, or are you just using the blockchain? And I will see you in the next video.